Hey students, this is Mr. Serrano again. The teachers has asked me to show you how to put a graph or a data table into your Google Slides. So let's go ahead and open up your your Google Drive. Of course, you're gonna do a new. So go ahead and go to the left corner. Let me turn on my. I'm gonna press new. Don't want to do that. Press new. Go down to Google Slides. Okay, so do a Google Slides. So we're gonna do making a graph. Okay, and I'm gonna click out. I don't need this, so I'm gonna just press click and it turns blue. See how it turns blue? And I'm gonna press delete to get rid of it. Okay, so now that I want to have that title up here, I'm just gonna go ahead and click that, and it should give me the title. So now I'm gonna go to slide, new slide. Okay, I don't need this, so I'm gonna go ahead and click out this. It's up to you if you want to keep the title. Let's keep it for a little bit if you want to. Now you can also select your theme if you want a different theme, but I'm gonna just keep it blank for right now. So whatever theme you want, you can select. Okay, so I'm gonna close this because I want to use it. So next step, I'm gonna go insert. I'm gonna go down to chart, and I want to do, depending on the graph your teachers want, I'm gonna show how to do a column. It's gonna give you a generic column graph, but I'm gonna use it, but I'm gonna change it. So I'm gonna click this down arrow here. Okay, one more time. Let me just get this on, and I'm gonna open source. Okay, so it's working. It's gonna develop a data table for you. Now this data table, you're gonna have to format it so you can change the graph itself. So right now you're gonna see you're gonna have two colors. Okay, it's because they have two data points. So they have their period 1, period 2 teams. So we're not gonna do that today. Social studies is working on pandemics. So we're gonna work on pandemics, but you can change anything, put it whatever title and put whatever X and Y axis series you need. So this is gonna be my X axis, okay, which is gonna be X, but I'm gonna put a title on it. So I'm gonna put pandemics. Okay. And my pandemics, I'm gonna put different years. So I know some pandemic happened in 1918. I know one happened in 2003, and the current one is 2020. And there's other ones, but I'm gonna just make one up in the 60s just to have a different variation of numbers. And since I'm gonna only use one set of data, so I'm gonna get, this is deaths. So I'm gonna go ahead and just click this column here, okay, and get rid of it. So I'm gonna click and press delete column. Now if you right click it, you can delete the column. And we'll see what happens. When I delete that column, it only has one color on your graph now. And you can notice it's also changing the values of your graph. So I go back over here. Okay, so I have my information. Now I want to change and I work on my graph. So I'm going to go back to my graph. It's got the title. I don't want that point score title, so I'm going to go ahead and work on my graph now. So we click the menu over here. It's going to give you edit chart. So I'm going to go ahead and click edit chart. And there's different ways to do this. Now right here you can also change your graph to look at different ways if you want to. Okay, so I'm just going to keep it simple for right now. Okay, so it gives you your series. Your x-axis is pandemics. Your y-axis is deaths. Okay, so if you wanted to add another series, of course you can put another series. I'm just going to go back to customize. Okay, now I'm going to go to chart and axis titles. So my chart title, I'm going to put, well, I want to get rid of this, highlight it, delete. I'm going to put pandemic. Okay, so again, you can change the font. You can change the type of font, the size, the color. I'm going to put a little red just to make it, and I'm going to bold it. So I got it changed right there. Okay, so I'm done with that series, with that customization of the charting axis. I'm going to go ahead and click the little arrow here. Click the next one, the series. Okay, so it's blue. Now I want to keep a different color, of course. You can click color and change it to a different color. So whatever color you want, let's make it green, or whatever color you want. Keep it dark blue, whatever. Okay, you decide. Your axis is on the left side right now. You can put also on the right side if you want to, but usually everything goes on the left side. Okay, we're done with that. We're going to go ahead and click legend. Okay, your legend is this little part here where it says death. This is your legend. That is your legend. Okay, so right now it's in the right position. I want it, say, on the bottom. And put it in the bottom. Okay, and I can keep it blue also to emphasize deaths. Okay, I can change the size of it. I can go, let's put it, make it a little larger. Let's do it 18. Once again, let's stand out a little bit more. The text color, I want to make it, let's make it red. Okay, so there you go. So that's another. Now we're going to customize your horizontal axis. Okay, again, we can make this a different color so it can stand out, so you can see it. It turns red, bold, and now I can change the font if you want to. Okay, I'm done with that. I'm going to do my vertical. Same option over here. I'm going to change it so I can I can see it a little better. Okay. There you go. And my grid lines. Vertical axis, auto, okay. Change your color. We can do black if we want to stand out a little bit more, or just so I can show the difference. I'm going to do a pink so you can see it. Okay. So that's all basically you need for that. So we had different deaths, right? So if we look at the numbers now, it corresponds. You can put whatever number it should adjust it to. The graph should be able to adjust it. So I'm done with the editing. So I'm going to go close it. I'm going to go back to my slide. Now, it's going to still show the update. It's going to still show the old one. So I'm going to go ahead and click where it says update right here. And it should update your slide and your graph. And there you go. Now here you can put a title if you want to. Okay, and let's put social studies 2020. Okay, you guys should know how to do that, so I'm gonna just center that. You can also change the color, highlight it. Oops, I'm gonna just go back and clear that. Click it once. I want to change the color on it. Let's change it to well, let's go into like the color right there, strong. Okay, can underline it, whatever you want to do. There you go. Okay, so now you can complete this. You can fill this up a little bit more where you want to. And there's your table inside a slide. So this is how you develop a table inside your slide. Okay, well, go ahead and go ahead and look at my videos at my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get notifications when I upload new videos. Okay, you guys take care.